I like to take risks, try new things, to just gain confidence and be more daring. I do love the flare jeans, just because I wear skinny jeans religiously. So I'm really happy that we're gonna have a little bit of the flare 70s kind of look within the spring line.
And then the pants.
But I didn't want my clothing line to be just about me. I wanted it to be about my fans. They're independent, they're individual. So they can wear one of my cardigans and dress it with a cute skirt, or with pants, or with boots, or with flats. It's whatever they want to make it who they are. Ultimately, you should be dressing for you and no one else. There are gonna be 1,000 articles and magazines on the internet, and celebrities and boyfriends and friends telling you what you should wear and what looks great, but at the end of the day, nothing feels more amazing than wearing something you love.